Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll explain how you can quickly turn off keyboard sounds on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. I'm on my Android phone and looking at a page view of some of my apps. It's quick to turn off any keyboard sounds on your Google phone, but it can be tricky to do if you've not tried it before. In this guide, I'll show you how to do that in 5 simple steps. I know that sounds like a lot, but I promise you we'll be done in less than 2 minutes. If I bring up my Google keyboard by tapping into the search bar at the bottom of the phone, you'll hear the key tap sounds are currently turned on. To turn these off, I need to start by opening the Google Settings app. This is shown on screen, but if you can't see it on your phone, you can quickly find it by using the search bar at the bottom of the page. I'll tap on that app once to open it. A long list of options is then displayed. We're interested in the System option shown near the bottom of this list. Let's tap into that section. Near the top of the page as displayed, you'll see a link for keyboard. Let's tap on that once to look at some further options on managing your phone's keyboard. On this page, we're interested in the very first option, on-screen keyboard. Let's tap on that to dive into it. The next page offers a choice of keyboards to update. The list shown on your phone may be different to the one here. I'm interested in the Gboard link at the top, however, which should be common to most Android phones. Let's tap into that. We're now finally on the keyboard settings page. To turn off key press sounds, we need to open the Preferences section. Let's tap on that option. If I now scroll down this page a little, you'll see the option to switch off sounds on key press. Tap the switch to the right to turn those sounds off. If I now return to my home screen and open the keyboard, you'll see that key press sounds are no longer heard. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like this video or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.